Ogoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, thutha wa by-election ya Kuria Olkalau, Kindiki nionetio nduma nene muno ne regime eno. And after that election, kwina intel Rigathi wa Gachagua ahete mundu egwitwo Kindiki. A very deep intel. Very deep. Kamera tukita hau kwa tukatiriri. It's alleged there is a senior person ati thutha wa by-election ino ya Olkalau nitoni methu ake ati kwina a very senior person ati magithi ko discuss uhoro wa Olkalau arahurirwo ikofi pa ikofi ya kimanyoko na kwina maroka mako atiriri ati mundu ucio arahurirwo ikofi reu we marauga ati ne Kindiki maundu matirathira Kindiki wega. In fact, after Rigiji kwa intelio Kindiki areri adu ake jeshi yake matika attack mundu gitwo Kindiki matigane nake oro uguo. He is our son, mareke ekyo ya weka amake decision irie kumeki ona oru ne shauri yake. Na after kwa liwo ndona roko ne aretie adu Rigathi wa Gachagua ne maretie na neguka tore maundu maya mothe taigwa imethu uri raugire uhoro wa senior person theni wa thirikari uri arahurirwo ikofi rimwe mwaki ni undu wa gute kana ni undu wa githurano kana gute ni undu wa githurano kia Olkalau khotano ne Gachagua. Can you subscribe nyumra podcast mukoma redo fata muno in a video, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. In terms of the campaign money that William Ruto has spent, I think I hear he has spent 1.3 billion. There's a friend of mine who works or who is a friend of his. He told me that they started speaking about Olkalau and he was slapped. You know, a very senior person was slapped because William Ruto cannot believe that he gave people 1.3 billion and he got 5,000 votes. Even if he was to give 1.3 billion for every constituency, you have a manuscript from Olkalau. He will give you 1.3.
That's 50 billion.
Not 50 billion. Plus. It's 290 billion because you have 290 constituencies.
Guys, rugote amenya kana terere. The said Kindiki ado marauga in quote kana uriwo ne kinara ikofi kana ne uri ogi etagwo atia ena gadio egi menya korera makofi na mundu ukete akaugo after video go trend ado marejete Kindiki ne ahuri ikofi reu. I will not accept. Ruto cannot give me hot slaps just because UDA lost an election in Olkalau. There is nothing I could have done. I will join opposition if you do not issue a public apology. My cheeks are in pain right now. Nakadi kawa ukiada kithura Kindiki. So ado mararage Kindiki ni arahurirwo ikofi reu. Taigwai intel area nake Rigathi wa Gachagua erite Kindiki. Gachagua erite Kindiki o ndakahuthira ndege emenyerere muno ona kuria ndakaria oro uguo. Rigiji arerie Kindiki o niageretie kunino maita maiganona na in fact Rigiji augirio matiendaga ko impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua, mendaga kumunina kumu eliminate no matikagere impeachment way because they knew impeachment way later will be lethal. Negoka emagaroroke na jana nene muno and they knew Rigiji will be very lethal after impeachment. So they wanted to eliminate him as Rigiji said yesterday. Kindiki akero tafadhali umenyerere andu aya no makonine na tondu andu akuria Western na Nyanza maruga ni maida giti giki wimenyerere muno no sacrifice wo giti gitwaro nako. Guys, in a video ya Rigiji
happier to eliminate it. The way I can see watu ya ODM wanaongea wakitaka hii kiti vile mimi naona watu ya Western wanaongea wakitumia hii maneno ya Olkalau. I have sent watu wa sons Professor Kithure Kindiki to be careful. Hii maneno ya mandege, be careful. Be careful. Hii maneno ya chakula, be careful. Because at the end of it all, he is still our son. Na mimi ndio nataka kuomba vile wameanza kumulima na nimeona wanampangia. For now. Ndio kama atakuja nyumbani asikuwe uncomfortable. Sasa tungangane na Kasongo. We direct all our fire against Kaso. Hii Kindiki for now. Tuachane na yeye. We leave him alone. Let him be. Akipata shida, akija nyumbani tutamkaribisha. Mungu akimsaidia akae huko ni sawa. But for now, let us focus on William Ruto. Na watu yake akina Murkomen. Makobora yote yetu ielekeshwe William Ruto na nani? Na Murkomen. Hii Kindiki for now tuachane na yeye. Yeah? Wale wasaliti. Hao muendelee na hao. Hao nimesikia.
Muendelee pia na wasaliti. Rigiji is very sharp. Rigiji is very smart. Mwaigwa ni athomeire political science. Of course, he did it. Na bemwe mĩario ĩyo ni akũrehe confusion thĩinĩ wa thirikari. Ni akũrehe confusion. Number 2. Vaishi ũndũ ũngĩkĩkĩra Kindiki. Tuge mana ndege. God forbid. Uthi gukona rĩera rĩthũke. Ndege wegwe kũngĩtuĩka no. Ni nyuĩ ndĩroria. Rigiji ni aria kũngĩtuĩka no. Number 2. Rigiji ni amenya atĩrĩrĩ. Kindiki ndarĩ na influence yothe thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region. Influence yake nĩ ĩrathirire after all Kalau by election. Ni amenya atĩrĩrĩ. Kindiki position ĩrĩa enayo thaa ici nĩ nene na gũtirĩ kĩndũ akaheo. Ni amenya atĩrĩrĩ. Frustrations iria Kindiki aragererio. Nikaruga nitukamwa anoka nitukamwa accept back. And of course ogirora thĩinĩ wa mĩario ĩno nĩ akĩria ironi atĩrĩrĩ nĩ andũ he maybe maharagia. Toro ũguo tu. Ĩrarehe confusion atĩrĩrĩ kana Gachagua ararehe confusion in this way. That nĩahe Kinara confusion. Niki tondũ Kindiki eherio thĩinĩ wa thirikari na atĩ mekire mũndũ ũngĩ. Kindiki ni ahetwo chance kana Gachagua amwĩra nĩ ũgatũnyitane. So kura cia Mount Kenya cigakorwo cinyitanĩte. So kila Gachagua is very sharp. So in any case Kindiki abie kuonio matharau. Thirikari no yatigwo in a panic mode tondũ nĩ arona andũ aya nĩ makarutithania wĩra. You see, they thought that Kindiki na Gachagua gũtigo makarutithania wĩra. But now Gachagua kwana ni atĩrĩrĩ no marutithanie wĩra na mbere. They are top seniors in Mount Kenya region as I speak. Tondũ othe mumite Mount Kenya region. So ĩyo ĩgatũma panic mode na confusion. Tondũ Ruto agikano running mate kuma kũndũ kũngĩ ta Western kana Nyanza. Kĩrĩma nĩ kĩanyitana gĩothe. Ti ũrũ kwa rathi kunanga Mount Kenya East aga West. Toro ũguo tu. Kinara nĩ atukanĩirwo. Ona no ya kĩrĩa running mate kuma Nyanza Western Nethio. Ano running mate kuma Western Nyanza Nethio. He's confused. Ndagiuka gwĩkĩrĩtĩra kĩrĩa ite ciake kana iturwa ciake. Tondũ gatiba ndĩmwĩtĩkĩrĩtie. So Gachagua atuma kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo confusion thĩinĩ wa thirikari ĩno na still atuma kĩũndũ andũ maigua atĩ ũndũ ũngĩkĩka Kindiki mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩmbũra mũno nĩ Kinara. This guy is very sharp. Rũko ugĩtio. Rũko nĩ aratũmirwo kũgayũkania kĩrĩma. Na Kindiki before Rigathi wa Gachagua ugĩtio nĩ rĩ Kindiki thengio tondũ Kindiki na ugĩte kĩrĩma kĩagĩrĩirwo kũnyitana. Ti Rũko arathi kunaga kĩrĩma na ngũmuonia ũrĩa mũndũ ũmwe wa Rigathi wa Gachagua augĩte. Rũko augĩtio. Leo nasikia Omonyoro ameturusha mahindi kama kuku. Tunataka atangaze peupe anaunga mkono Professor Kithure Kindiki kama naibu rais vile sisi tulitangaza 22 tunamuunga mkono akuwe naibu rais. Hakuna kupiga kona kama sungura. Okay, Rũko ndamenya nete arauga. Kithure Kindiki na ina influence. Auga nĩ ũkũmenyita mbaru nĩkĩ nĩ tondũ nĩ ekuonio matharau igetha etha handũ ha kũrĩra moke mungane kĩrĩma gĩkorwo gĩkĩmwe and very strong. Interesting times ahead. Ndona mũndũ arĩtie Councillor Johi nĩ very active kũrĩa All Kalau ania mahoragĩra Kamau campaign kũrĩa All Kalau na mautia wĩra mwega mũno. Augĩte ũũ, much obliged Supreme Leader Rigathi Gachagua, I henceforth declare a ceasefire on our son Professor Kithure Kindiki. Kafutha gacokagirio mwene. Kafutha gacokagirio mwene. Sitarima professor tena. Aya ni andu amwena wa mundu gwetwo Rigiji. Rigiji gwete atiriri. Meshare yothe matimo mothe marorerio must go. Dakaheo nafathi. But Rigiji has miario yake irarehe confusion thini wa Rigiji mweno. Ati agikohena murure kinike arafangagirwo ni maba gustom ni maba kurugamia toroguo tu aikon maida ko frustrated ni mona terere ni mekunyitana na Gachagua and that team will be very little so makona terere asha atoma confusion. This guy is very sharp. Atoma confusion then wakabewege. But anyway, like what I see tunavile mambo itakuwa na Kindiki ndamenya nyako ile kaida kaito muno. He promised to deliver getike Olkalao. He failed. Vaishida akiuga ni moto ni fire si fire. Ni noma si noma. Dagiaria maudu tamasho. Anyway, kuri podcast. Mwalimu Nyuma Iko. Nyuma natia. Thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you.